or we load it twice. Okay, so the next thing is to make sure that you create a new one and you confirm that it has been connected to your database. Okay, so select a package, the package that you use for distribution, and which is distribution for publisher and subscribing. Publisher and subscribing is a feature on the server that you use for replicating data, meaning copying data from one database to another. So the publisher is the one that is distributing the data from A to B. Okay, so here our publisher is the server, which is AC. This is the package that you use. Okay, you select the next. So as you can see, we have very different modules. Let's say we want to update customer delivery addresses, you can do it. Workers, GL accounts, badges, and you see there's quite a big big number. Okay, but for us, what we wanted to do is to do a price list update. Okay, like just a demo for that. Okay, so next. And then on this one you select Sage Evolution. Let the list load. So on this one, remember you are the subscriber here. So it is the server, which is the publisher, then the subscriber is Sage 200 Evolution. Okay, so you select Sage 200 Evolution, you click OK, then you finish. Okay, so you should be able to see a pop-up. So you can name it price update. Okay, so if you want to set it to have a regular update, you can give it a schedule. So every time you want to update something, you can do that. So our publisher is the document that you'll be using to upload. Okay, as you can see here, I've created a demo CSV for me to upload. Okay, and subscriber is okay. Let's select everything to make sure they are okay. Okay, so okay, there's something I've skipped on the publisher.